Do you need some quick and easy video content for Instagram, but maybe you don't want to hop on camera? I've got you covered because in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel using GIFs on Canva. Hi, my name is Kayla and I help content creators create better content for better results. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So I've created many videos here on YouTube about creating Instagram reels without being on camera. And I've created lots of reels myself using only GIFs or any kind of content that doesn't actually include me being on camera. And recently I got this message on YouTube asking if it's possible to create a tutorial showing how to create a reel using just GIFs on Canva. And of course, I was excited to do it. Definitely think we should cover that. And that is what this video is going to be all about. So let's talk about what a GIF is. First of all, it's pronounced a GIF. A lot of times people are unsure if it's pronounced a GIF or GIF. And it's definitely GIF. But basically, a GIF is a short looping video like you can see here in these examples. It could be used to show an emotion or reaction, maybe in your emails, maybe to point out an illustration or process. Maybe it's just used for humor. And a lot of times it's of celebrities, TV shows, and content that has been clipped into these short looping videos. They're basically used to bring a light, fun element to your content and add a visual element because visuals are helpful to helping people understand information. And so I use GIFs for everything from explaining how to use a product of mine to showing off its features or just making humor or light of something in my industry. And so in this video, we're going to go through examples of GIFs. And I'm going to show you different ways to make easy reels and engage your audience using this kind of content. So here we are on my Instagram account, and I've posted a couple of GIF style reels in the past week. They're very similar. They're mostly memes or humorous for my audience in my industry. And it's just a simple GIF with text. And you can see this one got 550 likes. You know, it's reached 20,000 people, I think. This one has got 222 likes, and they're very short and quick. So I'm going to show you how to make these, and then you can go off and come up with your own ideas. So the first step in this case is to pick an audio. So if we go to one of my Instagram reels, I will link to these in the description below in case you want to use these audio. Now, I can't play the audio on YouTube, but I can click on the audio. So what you want to do is you want to find an audio on Instagram that you can use and you want to see how long that audio is. This audio happens to be 30 seconds long, but my video, I only used about 5 seconds of this audio. That's important because you need to pick and choose how long your video is going to be before you start creating in Canva. Now, basically, when you're on Instagram, you can click on any music that you see underneath a reel, and when you click on it, you can see the length of the audio in total, or you can choose how much of the audio by hitting play and then deciding where you're going to stop the audio. So what you want to do is you click the save button so that you have that audio saved in your files on Instagram so you can create a reel using it. When you're ready to use it, you'll come to your saved audios and you'll click on use audio. And once you click on use audio, you can upload your new reel that you're creating. So let's get started on making that reel. So now that you have an audio that you like, you're ready to make the reel. First step is you're going to go to the Canva toolbar and you're going to pick mobile video template and go to templates and pick the mobile video size. Now there's a bunch of templates in here you can start with, or you can create with a blank one. Or if you're part of our iRemix community, you can come over to our templates tab and scroll through to the reels, and they are a bunch of Canva templates specifically made for reels there for you. Next, what you want to do is select the style of GIF reel that you want to create, and you can create all kinds of different types. In this tutorial, we're just going to make a simple meme, and so this is my meme with my colors, my fonts, but let's just say you want to start with a simple template. You'll go to templates and you'll just type in meme. And there's a bunch of different meme templates here, and it's a great starting point to give you some simple ideas. And so you'll replace this information with your thoughts, your brand, and your information. So I've gone ahead and changed the background color to match my brand colors, and I've also added in my Instagram handle and my name. Now I'm ready to create the meme itself and pick a GIF that I want to represent that meme. And so what you'll do is you'll find the Giphy app in Canva all the way on the left-hand side of the editing menu. Now, because I've used Giphy before, it's here in my menu, but if you're not finding it, you'll want to scroll down to the 3 dots where it says More, and you'll find Giphy here to activate for the first time, since you may not have ever used it. Now at the top of this menu is a search bar, and so if you're going to create a niche related reel about this meme, you can use related words to the content to search here. For speed of this video, I'm actually going to keep the text exactly the way that it is, where it says I'm going to sleep early tonight, but also me is 2:35 a.m. What would I be doing possibly at 2:35 a.m.? Maybe I'm scrolling Instagram. So you'll go ahead and type in scrolling social media, and you're going to find different GIFs that are going to fit what you're looking for. So I like this one where it says just scrolling, and so all you need to do is click, drag, and drop it onto there. And so I want it to show the phone, and so I may need to adjust some of this spacing, right, to make it make sense. So pull some of this down just to make it fit a little bit better. And you don't always want to use the first GIF that you find. You may want to try some other versions of the same idea. And that's usually a really good idea, especially if you're trying to get people to laugh or, you know, make humor or light of something. And so if you're not sure if it's funny, find somebody close to you and show them this and say, hey, is this funny? And the cool thing about these meme concepts is they really are relatable to any niche. So if your niche is health and nutrition, you know, maybe this is relatable. Maybe this is more relatable. I'm not sure. It's just a chance for you to make light of a serious situation that might be happening to your ideal audience that they might relate to. So once you've picked your GIF and you're ready to turn that into a video for your Instagram reel, the last thing you want to do is it's just going to keep looping for as long as this particular GIF is. And if your audio is longer or shorter than that, then you need to come down to the timeline at the bottom and make it longer or shorter to match your audio's timing. So in my case, the audio is 5 seconds long, so all I need to do is drag this timeline down to 5 seconds, and the video is now 5 seconds. If I happen to have a 10-second audio or a 15-second audio, all I need to do is hit duplicate, and I will then have a 15-second video. So if I just hit play, it's just going to loop for 15 seconds. So that is essentially everything you need to do at this point, and you're going to go ahead and click share, download as an MP4, and make sure all your pages are selected. Then you will go to your phone and click on use audio, and you're going to upload that final video that you've created and post it on your Instagram Reels. You can make all kinds of different types of content, like this one where it changes text every time she puts the book down, and that's just a matter of copying the same template and changing the text every, 1.5 seconds. And so it's pretty simple to do on Canva, just like I've shown you. You just have to change the text on each page. Or now Instagram allows you to add polls to your reels, and you could use GIFs to animate a poll that you want to post on your reels, like this one. Or if you're like me, maybe last year you didn't make a lot of reels, but you did make memes, you could go back to some of your popular memes and repurpose them into animated reels. So I could take this, and instead of using the still version of the GIF, I could make an animated version. So I've located that design in my Canva account, and you can see it's just a still GIF. So what I'll do, because I have a Canva Pro account, I can resize this. So I'll just go ahead and resize it to a mobile video, and it's going to look like that. And now I just need to find relevant or related GIFs that are similar to the ones that I used before, and I don't have to change the text. So here I've replaced those 4 with just one single. I just typed in absolutely not, and now it's a meme video that I can post as a reel, and it's approximately 6.4 seconds, and it's just saying, when someone suggests I only make social media content because I like the attention, absolutely not. Clearly I just am trying to add value and help people with content, not show up on camera because I like the attention. All right, so there you have it. That is how you create an Instagram reel using GIFs. If you create one and you want to share and show off what you've created, be sure to tag me at the Ivory Mix on Instagram. I would love to see what you've done with this tutorial. Now that you've learned everything you can in this video and are ready to move on to maybe the next step, I put together this free resource for you. You can grab it right below this video.